Welcome to the Aquaflow Crypto Lab. Are you curious about the latest updates on XRP and its potential movement in the crypto market? Look no further. In this video, we will dive into the charts and analyze XRP recent price action, as well as its position in the bull-bear band and the cloud chart. We will also explore the Moonshot chart and discuss the potential for a major move in the market. So if you're ready to learn more about XRP and its potential for growth, let's get started. We've been in the moon zone since this candle. And after the clear breakout above the bull market support with the blue dots, as you can see, we were expecting the price to reach the 180 weeks exponential moving average as the next area of resistance. And this is exactly what happened. As you can see, we got rejected with this beautiful wick, proving that the moving average is indeed a resistance. And this is exactly why the current price is trending around it right now. There is something else we should note in this chart. The bull-bear band is just right here. It was red, right? And now it started turning orange. Here it was red also, and it started turning orange just right here. And right now, as you can see, XRP is right in the middle of the band. Of course, as the band is pretty large because it goes from here to here, XRP couldn't go in one go from here to here, right? It has to stop. If we look at what happened in the past, you will see that XRP never crossed the band in one go. As you can see here, we penetrated the band, we have a big move to the upside, we tested the top of the band, we came back down to retest the bottom of the band and the bull market support at the same time with the blue dots, right? And then we have our breakout. Here again, you see that we penetrated the band, we tested the bottom of the band, we went back up to retest it this time as a resistance. We came back down and here we have our breakout. So don't be surprised if XRP doesn't cross the bull-bear band just like this, right? But instead we should have some consolidation moves in this area. For now, what I would like to see is XRP staying above this moving average. This would be wonderful. But the most probable scenario is that at some point XRP will come back down to retest either the bottom of the band or the bull market support with the blue dots. Of course, it can happen now or in a few weeks, only time will tell. Currently, our closest support is around 39 cents and the resistance above us, which is the band, right, is around 68 cents. So please watch out these levels in the weeks to come. Now let's move on to the next chart, the cloud chart. I remind you that on this chart I use the 23 days time frame. We started a new candle last Monday. It is this candle just right here. And as you can see, the previous candle is a bullish one and it closed just above the cloud, which is perfect because now we can expect the cloud to be a support. The lowest point of the cloud is around 42 cents right now. So remember this level, and just below it we have the bull market support, which is around 39 cents as we discussed earlier. So as long as we have no candle closing below 42 cents, the cloud indicator is saying that XRP is in a bull market. Of course, more confirmation is needed before we get too excited, especially XRP has to go above the bull-bear band that we saw in the previous chart. That said, this big green candle is a sign that XRP might be ready for a bull market. Now let's move on to the Moonshot chart. You know that before we used those indicators in the XRP against BTC chart, but it didn't give us the result that we were expecting. That's why from now on, I will show you the Moonshot chart on the XRP against USD chart. It's not the first time that I show it to you because it's very interesting and I think that it will still play a major role in XRP movements. So you remember that every time that the yellow line touches the green line, we have a major move in the market. In that case, the yellow line was going down. We have this gigantic move, right? Then we have the yellow line touching the line again, and this time we had this move leading to our bottom. Then we have this cross and then we have this moonshot, right? And we have this cross and the price led us to our bottom. And even if we take a step back just right here, it was the same thing. We have the cross and we have our legendary bull run. This is exactly why I think that those crosses are no joke. And I expect XRP to have a major move once these two lines will cross. For the record, I'm using the 4 days time frame and these lines are exponential moving averages. And if I use the exact same indicators but this time on the BTC chart, the behavior is exactly the same. You can see that here we have the cross that led us to our bottom. Then we have this cross that led us to our bull run. Again, here we have our bottom. Then we have this cross that led us to our bull run. And more recently, we have this cross that led us to our bottom once again. And it seems that the yellow line is taking the direction to retest the green line soon. And I want you to pay attention to this. Why? Because, for example, during the COVID crisis, you see that we have our bull run, right? That started from here, but we have this crash, okay? But as you can see, we didn't have any cross between the yellow line and the green line. That's why we knew that the bull run was continuing, right? So this time, in order to validate the bull run, okay, we need to wait for the cross of the yellow line above the green line. This is very important because if we see that the yellow line is going back up like this, but the price starts plunging, preventing the yellow line from crossing the green line, it will mean that we are still in a bear market. This is exactly why what is happening right now is critical. Anyway, this is the beginning of something big, and we will track everything on this channel. I hope that you found this analysis helpful. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up. It helps a lot. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and as always, time will tell.